Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani word of the day. Today's word is almaq. Almaq. Almaq can mean to buy, to take, or to receive. Let's see some phrases. To buy groceries, that is from the market, from the store. To breathe, or to take a breath. To receive a message. Let's see the translations. Marketdən, from the market, from the store. Ərzaq almaq. Typically, you buy those from the market, right? From the store. So you don't have to say it for where you're getting it from. You can just say Ərzaq almaq, to buy groceries. Nəfəs almaq, to breathe, to take a breath. Mesaj almaq, to receive a message. Let's use this in some sentences. Bugün marketdən çörək almaq istəmirəm. I don't want to buy bread from the store today. See, if you want to say I want to, you're going to say istəyirəm. If you want to say you don't want to, you got to say istəmirəm. Same thing. Remember almaq? This is infinitive form. Alıram, I am buying. And if you want to say I'm not buying, almıram. You add it to the middle. We'll see those more in the coming days. Now, bugün we already know this. Today. Marketdən, from the store, from the market. Çörək, see, remember çörək? We have used this in many times. If you remember, when you see k sound at the end of the word, we soften it and turn it into y. So this one becomes çörək. But when you write it, you gotta write it grammatically. The right form is çörək. Speaking, çörək. Bugün marketdən çörək almaq istəmirəm. Next sentence. İşdən sonra biraz nəfəs almaq lazımdır. It is necessary to take a little breath after work. İşdən sonra, after work. İş, work. İşdən sonra. Den is a suffix, means from. But in this case, işdən sonra, after work. Biraz, a little. Nəfəs, breath. Almaq lazımdır. It is necessary to take. That was today's word, almaq, because this week's topic was shopping. So I decided to give you this action word because along with expensive, discount, all the words that we learned, so you gotta know what to do with them. But you don't have to use it in full Azerbaijani sentence. It can be something like almaq or save money. That is the question. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com. Cheers.